trust, we have to give them time, and they will deliver.
So he wasn't imposed on you?
Keto Kraku. Are you kidding me? Nobody imposed this on me. Absolutely nobody. The executive committee had trust in him. We were sure about him. We had a clear plan for him, and we executed the plan. Before we gave the job to Otto Addo, we knew he would not stay beyond the month of December after the World Cup. We were very clear about this. And we had a succession plan. The successor was Chris. That's why we brought him much closer to the team for him to get to know the players and to get to use to the culture, the history of the team, the technical or in-house know-how of the team, the ins and outs of the team, and to get him ready to take over from Otto Addo. It was a very clear strategy that we deployed, and today Chris is in a better position to handle the team than he would have been if we had handed him the
ticket. Edwin Simon Okraku, Ghana Football Association President, Nathan can say when Super Sports and Century Juliet Bewa Christian Community Anna Yedi Ejano. Yanko FUR stills ya na Yusuf Alasan Chipsa, Mafo Beka. Ghana National Under 23 or no ne badge na the last time of Captain Blasters no and I said National Under 23 team the Black Metals of Ghana Sabrino na Steven Leroy to another appear muna kanwa omutimi kopi Olympic Games as if Sabrino Ghana enko bibiye amafo beka Yusuf Alasan Chips ye padia na papa yi etimi ebo eye kuma second fast the nitime sachi mukotoko echi no Sweden and papa yi etimi ekoto an bobo so no any player back wa Ghana ha wo hwese na ne Messi tia na obobo no na ogusu sua de nti o ya accountant by profession no den komo kakran so tia sa ja na asmo kan nan se ono de ogidie pa se eye kumase asankro legend ogidie pa se FA abatoa enche bi betia sa to fem no emu ebeye dene.
Stop it. He does, but can he get to the ball? He keeps his momentum. That's good enough.
Ubit match rewadwin, but at the end of the day, no, delegates no and a correde, a wakotoba sena, a large guza, a candiviano, or say, on tuaba, Okasa, no, what should you be say? I can say, you say, Okasa no baby, but at the end of the day, no, she say, Sinem Sikan and Airport Sadian is the same thing. I was say, in a share. They are also since I'll be taking over. Baby, Ghana football, I could do Nemawa, and the last is Kakeo when they beat me. Continuity is always good if it's for a good cause. And you know, assassination if it's the oil, you know, the man encounter on to us. Why not? So, I'm going to say, and this, I mean, at the end of the day, you know, football.
Inti we maybe some man of Faledi in Kumo One Yusuf Alasan Chipsa, former national team player, and Odin Kumo to Jadia for FA upcoming election in Chibiano, and also a between Abasono. Afe Yankuma standing league fixture by Quitman Santo from Sabrino, na Kotokone Karela Football Club, Kumasi Babara Sports Benua Penibeshe, na Enyasemwa, na Uhi Minister in MSC Koya, 90 minutes of soccer fiesta, na Aye all one.
Stop it. Stop it. He does, but can he get to the ball? He keeps his momentum. That's good enough for Kotoko. They're expecting the drive. It comes through Zeze. Again, a point blank saved by Gani Ueno. He turns it into his own net. Rashid, hard pressed on that occasion.
Yeah, it's all about intensity. It's all about the pressure, and Gani knows there's nothing he could have done about that goal. He provided a brilliant save to stop Safu Taylor the first time, but then again, amazing play from the Porcupine Warriors. And look at the determination on the face of Ifege. He did very well, kept the ball alive, and when he won the tussle against Fatau, I mean, he's picking up that pass. It's a visionary pass, and Zeze couldn't hit it one time. Safu Taylor controlled it.
Owusu is free, goes past one, still struggling. He goes through, sets up the cross. Chance for Karela. They are back in the game.
This is superb. Intelligent play. Lovely play from Karela. And Asari doesn't believe what has just transpired. But then again, the magic from Owusu Buachi. Just look at the magic. Lovely skill, brilliant play, whips it across the face of goal. And guess who is getting at the end of it is Fatah.
Tough, difficult game it has been. But Kotoko share the points with Karela. They lose or drop 2 points at home. Carella coming back into the game to get that face-saving goal for a draw. End of 90.
Internet Ghana Premier League and with 32 match Chato Kwano and Akotoko ne Carella ebo 1-1 e was Sarkins Kesi 22 Jeremy with 32 league table no sena niema ACL ko e won hihya wodo no so etwensa pio na afie de hunsunsan so etimi ejanti yenko with 32 league table no so na afie hwe sena niema esitie e wodwumadi a wom so eguso edinim na yehu teams a ege league no ene omonso a ebe kufie e wo eye week 32 Jumedia and also 18 Saturday. Quickly, you hear Sana Nema ACL ko ewo week 32 against Kessie and also everything San Pino. Na yehe okay nti yehe Sana Nema ACL ko nti yekomudia na say young sensational Joseph Ando or Infantepem A school abrantie na ene de wese na hyene ACL ko na me adoma na wonkomo no so everything asa bachiri but abrantie otimi eche ne bobre was seniors 100 meters air clash no so 18 about so he was the first position ana otimi SDE a men's category fi dwumedia the fastest human about so Cape Coast.
Etuja afimu enya agrokra enano eritamale dia kogwa wie na wotwe wie yi Cape Coast open meeting so enso atodwa wie a ememo ane mmeba amde omho gi mu no omangu omho ani mase ye kan talent pa dia amerikatu mu my Ghana nyame de bia dome yen enu nti ene firi nkwada mu koprempeni so obi abekire ne bobre no ye de pem so ye ane ye pekanifo ni nti ememo anafam wo mpanimfo no abrantia ne tiende Joseph and Kofi ye ko school Mfantepem mfimfiri mantemu ne dinkunimu a Mustafa Bokwem atosu mienu ne ma na fam wo no nso mpanimfo no Deborah Champon ye no ko school o UPS e dinkunim na Sira Kwanza ono school Mfantepem so atosu mienu a achade abafu da so ene abasobo ne de ma wo a ye de bibia bawie o mfimfiri mantem Cape Coast.
It was not easy for the event, but we did our best. That was not like the one who won and who was second was my senior. So I did my best. My best time is 10-1.
All of you have the talent to become world class. To train. You did dedicated and you did to believe in yourself.
The Ghana's fastest human, Cape Coast ne kopie mu Joseph Ando Mfantepem school or abranti one timedi nkunimo sanhyehyɛ so nkuma o kyerɛ ne bobre sɛ nyame adom na so sanya ada chances obetua sama Ghana hu sempa ogyana na so kudu mekatum nti ebere sɛ na hyɛ ne esi etie hono bad ma me hwɛ sɛ metime atwa me kakra na we 32 table no metia send the giant pass na fe yetintim so the amount na on sɛ na niama esi ekɔ after Ghana Premier League enu akotoko ene Carella clash no yeah, etime PM ni but Mediama Sporting Club anani oda esro hwesenema ese kosna aswaje league na nesa 56 points na watini amase oba second 52 points Adriana Stars Bechim United at third with 51 points and afi Kumase Asante Kotokwenwa after say obo draw e wona Kensi no wabeda 48 points so that fourth Bibiani Gold Stars at fifth with 48 points Bukum Chelsea that sixth with 46 points Samates at seventh with 45 points Nafi Hearts of Folk at the 8th position with 45 points. Accra Lions in Kranjata, woman the 9th with 44 points. Ghana Premier League log and so Ushema 10th position at Dean Football Club FA President team no Karim Z to the Kita team no 44 points. Lagos City at the 11th with 43 points. RTU at the 12th with 43 points. And Strataman at the 13th with 43 points. Nafi Tabali City at the 14th with 32 points. Nafi so Great Olympics Ulibobo Ulimashi as a relegation sent in a bonnet or the 15th position are also L42 points into Huma, Tamale City, and a Great Olympics, Omabo bracket and Kana Kuskuno. 16th position, Carella United or 41 points or the relegation zone him. Now, if Kumasa can fire at the 17th with 36 points or Kodeda, and I feel so crowd, Kutukrias at the 18th for 23 points. Why you be by our Trinkofubino at the Abekanaho, a relegation zone. We do see another was say, Nama Chelsea, but Shannon say 1x bet. I've always told you that betting there. is better than Saka. We trying to be fool. Who didn't be fool? We trying to come maybe didn't come outside the manum. But more than that, 1x bet. I mean, one dance their children. But more than that, say ultra bet with money that you can afford to lose. Kaira, and you know, and ultra bet. If ultra bet, no sooner say dear, we draw 90% of winnings. And yes, I bet best half left for a was that near Canagus Snaff when you ayo or our son and easier quantity bet Mrano and Odi Ayajuma Edia Mame Sanson, Jeffers, Mr. Duetafi, infections, said do gonorrhea, syphilis, candidiasis, white vita, Nasudi, Puanachua, was set to make Jeffers a bit here, Bobaby Waha, a Daniel single room cannot roll pito ha, a bomb Buddha, Mr. Bomodia, that's on Sabitia, can Jeffers, Mr. Bois, Emanyama, 82 years at the Mount Nafil, so Sedimo gel a roll on. For pampas be pimonasno eduba kwa 2 year pain ase di free hono sedimo gel erono kwa shamana soja fono ho de bato bi na ato na afi ukotem asumi marketer on sabetimi aka bi betia from 0208219129 na on sedimo gel erono yentwetwe komo yenhwemo a ema on sentimi kasa product bi wemo ene sponsor say atechiri boa emena no penso dia wo kensi mu sempa esa kan netimi jawo within the Enoch kwasi walanyo wala sa gudi catch back open am of course evidence-based presentation it mejaw radin tinani ma onyo kese you fi be da so ni na on fa ko be da so the act of being a good guest is to know to say au revoir.